Hello everyone and welcome to Ride On 2. I'm Chappy and today we're going to discuss starting a YouTube channel from scratch. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the things that I learned and what it took to start the channel. So stick around. Hello everyone. I decided I was going to start a YouTube channel, and when I decided I was going to start it, I knew it was going to be motorcycle related. So I needed to have, the right equipment to do it. I had my cheap camera here. I've got right up here on the dash my Gear Pro 4K camera. And I have another cheaper model, an Akaso. They take great video, but unfortunately the audio, there's no way to pipe my voice in. But I thought I had that covered. I have a voice recorder. I have a good mic. As soon as the weather turned nice and it was good enough to start going out, I started filming. And I would go for a ride, and I'd get back, and I'd plug it into the computer, and it would be crap. The voice was just way too loud. I mean, so loud that it was distorted, and you couldn't really tell what I was saying. And it was just like I had put my voice through a guitar amp, and it was just all crunchy and staticky and just crap. And I'll show you a little clip here of what I'm talking about so you understand. It'll be small because I don't want to blow your ears out.
So are you thinking of buying a new bike?
So as you see from that clip, it was really crappy. So everybody could hear what I'm saying and understand me. I decided I wasn't going to continue to try and buy voice recorders. I tried different apps on the phone. Either the Bluetooth syncing between my headset and the phone didn't work, or it all came out way too loud. It was just horrible. I mean, I didn't want to listen to it, never mind making, somebody else listen to it. So I decided I needed to buy a GoPro. I can get like a GoPro 5, 6, or 7 black, anywhere from $200 to $400. But everyone was sold out of the little mic adapter that you absolutely have to have in order to get your voice onto the GoPro. But even though it's a $50 adapter and that's the only way you can do it, it doesn't matter because nobody had it. And if somebody did have it, they were charging like insane amounts of money on eBay or Amazon. So anyway, the Hero 5, 6, and 7 were kind of not in the cards for me because of, the mic adapter not being available. So I did the only thing I could do, and I went to eBay and bought a Hero 4 Silver that was refurbished. It was $100. And then I got myself the Senna backpack, which was $100, brand new, from Amazon. So for $200, price of what I would have paid for a GoPro Hero 5 Black, I ended up with the Hero 4 Silver and a Senna black backpack. And that's what I'm using now. As you can see from the footage off the handlebar, it says GoPro Hero, or whatever, right on the front of the camera. But I knew I was going to need a computer because over the last couple years, anytime I used the knockoff cameras, the files were just too big, and I couldn't transfer them and do anything with them once I got them onto the computer. If you're going to start a YouTube channel, I would highly recommend that before you decide that you're actually going to start, like, okay, today is the day I'm going to make my first video, you need to take a few weeks or days, or, you know, depending on how much time you have to spend into planning all this stuff, and test your footage. Just turn on the camera, talk about whatever, and, you know, make a test video. Test what you're planning to do before you try and do it for real. Because if you put all your effort into making a real video and it comes out like crap and you can't use it, or you can't upload it the way you wanted, you know, I don't want you to be discouraged and say, well, screw it, I'm not going to do it. You know, I want everybody to know that there's a lot more to it than just, hey, I'm going to turn on the camera and make a YouTube video. So yeah, that's like in the very beginning, you know, getting everything situated. You know, it costs quite a bit of money. Thankfully, I was able to get the computer through Dell with 0% financing. So I didn't have to shell out $1,200 for a computer, but when I was doing my research, it was at least $800 for a computer that would be minimal in order to process the video. So if you're lucky enough to have that computer, then you're already further along than I was. You know, my computer was old and not capable of putting out what I was going to ask of it. So hey, I hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.